Well, hi, I'm George Burnett with Fourscore Physical Therapy. I'm in charge of the healthy eating section, and I've given healthy eating seminars all across America, and now I'm in the kitchen with you. Well, let's make juice number 23, Great Karg. It's carrot, apple, ginger, beet. It's a great drink. All right, let's fire it up. Let's go. All right, let's start with, let's go ahead with our gala apples, and let's get started with that. I had a little carrot juice in there from just making a juice, so as you saw. And so you got your carrot, apple, now ginger. Health benefits, we're talking beta-carotene here, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all right? Oh, let's put a quarter of a beet. So we've got one apple. I did a gala here. You could use your green Granny Smiths, a little less sugars. Okay, it's sugar, but it's healthy kinds of sugars. But, okay, there's our red beet, a quarter of a beet. It's about right. You can go up to a half a beet, but the quarter is about right for the strength. All right? Now, I'm going to show you one thing. I try and show you something different in all these different juices, even though you're watching maybe, you know, just straight carrots and some of the other ones. Let me show you what I like to do. I cut a quarter off and I thought I'm going to show you what I like, how I like to cut these. I started that. So I like to keep the hands, okay, as safe as possible. I take this right here and take that quarter off right there. All right. I like this kind of knife, that basically. Okay, that's pretty much a favorite. Then I set the apple down. It's got a stable part right here. I can take this hand away then. Okay, and this is here, and I'm here. All right. Now, buy organic when you can. All right. Let me turn this off for a second. Now, if you can't buy organic, just go with fruits and vegetables. Okay. Be thankful for getting lots of fruits and vegetables. I like taking this core, I mean, the top part right there, especially if it's not organic. I like taking that out. I actually throw that one away. Everything else I juice up. Okay, so Granny Smith's can be a little less sugars in it, no big deals. But you know, if you like, you know, little less there, go with that. All right. Let's see what else I want to say. Oh, the ginger. If you haven't seen ginger, okay, it's, you know, most of you have seen it, but some of you haven't. But I used just about 1 inch of ginger. That'll be about right. You don't want to use too much more than that. That's a great one. Again, we're talking beta-carotene, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, nourishing the cells. It's a great drink. Okay, keep it rolling here. And so we had 2 apples, and then I had 3 large carrots. Now I'm only going to need 2 carrots, and these are big carrots. Okay, so that ended up just needing 2 carrots, and then 2 carrots, 2 apples, and then the ginger. About 1 inch of ginger, and we're filled up a full pint. Like that one, I can turn it off right there. Okay. Okay, so one of my favorites. Really, it's a fantastic drink. And juice number 23. Cheers. Okay. A little hit of ginger. Beta carotenes, the antioxidants, protect your cells, keep you healthy, keep you strong. You need to be nourishing these cells to stay young longer. We want you to be your best. Fourscore Physical Therapy. One of the 4 scores is antioxidant score that we measure. We use the technology. Let me set this down. I try and show this each time because I never had this. Let me just pause for a second. I never had this, and I gave juice seminars, as I said when I started, all over America, but I could never really prove that these juices made it here fresh would actually get all the way to the cells and protect the cell until this technology came out. It's amazing. It's really amazing. You need to get with us and find out how to measure your antioxidants. That's protecting your cells. Free radicals coming at us every day, all kinds of sources. Sunlight, stress, toxins, pollution. It's coming at us, okay? And it'll age those cells. Antioxidants, fruits, vegetables, and your good supplement program protecting your cells. And we can measure here, okay? So get with us on that. Again, fruits, vegetables, eat healthy, get your exercise, get your supplement program to supplement that, because you're probably not going to get as many as you could or should, but get as much as you can, and then supplement with, we're going to be setting you up with a really good supplement program to help protect your cells. Great drink. That little hit of ginger is really good. That was just about right. That is a great drink for you. Okay, there it is. Carrot apple ginger beet. A fantastic one. Get yourself set up with your kitchen, your juicer, your smoothie, and get set up with us. And we'll do those 4 scores. One of them is going to be your antioxidant score, keeping you healthy. George Burnett, 4-Score Physical Therapy, 4scorept.com. Thanks. Stay healthy. Be your best. Thanks now.